Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a $50 Forex No Deposit Bonus. So all you just have to do is ensure you stick with me throughout this video from beginning to end, as I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step procedure on how you can get this bonus. Before we move on, do well to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I make videos on updates like this. So to get this account, check the description. You will see a link that will direct you to my Telegram channel. The major reason you need to join my Telegram channel is because that's where I dropped updates like this on how you can make money online even before I come to YouTube to make videos. So don't forget, do well to stick with me throughout this video from beginning to end. So to claim this bonus, let me show you guys the terms and conditions required to claim this particular bonus. So to get this particular bonus, to claim this $50 Forex No Deposit Bonus, you need to have complete a minimum trading volume of 35 lots within 5-day window. And in addition to this, while completing the 35 lots, you need to also ensure that you don't breach any disqualification rule. And what are their disqualification rule? The disqualification rule are scalping, arbitrary trading, and news trading. So let's get back to claiming this bonus. So all you just have to do is bonus now. So I'll be clicking on this now. So as you can see now showing. So after you've clicked on this, all you just have to do is just fill in all your details now. So I'll fill in my details and I'll get back to the video. So this is me after I've inserted my details and I've clicked on the agreement with them. So after you've inserted your details, your name, your age, your DOB, and your country of residence, so you'll be having something like this. So as I said earlier, do well to stick with all this video from beginning to end so you don't miss a step. So the next thing after this is to verify, because if you don't verify, there's no how you'll be able to get this bonus. So let's get to verify your account. All you just have to do is just put your proof of identity and other necessary things asked of on your screen now. So the next thing you have to do now to be able to claim this particular bonus now is to verify. And how do you verify? You verify by submitting your proof of identity and other necessary things required. So thank you for watching this video. Have you been able to